heavy on the wrist, stacked like sardines, belly of a ship. Live in your own piss and shit, and being seasick. Cracked across the back with a thick leather whip. Salt water burn through your wounds. Women are starving with babies in their wombs. On your hands and knees trying to cry, God please. Exhausted, your voice is too weak to speak. Neighbors and strangers are dying beside you. Their decaying bodies you're tied to. Cling tight to your fight for survival. Wonder if your tribe will ever try to find you. Arrive somewhere strange, the air is cold. You can see your breath and you're barely clothed. Your first time ever seeing snow. Sleeping next to it on a hard dirt floor. Ho from can't see in the morning to can't see at night. You work till your hands bleed white. Your native language you can't recite. Murdered on sight if you try to read or write. When you bend all your life and can't see the light, it gets painful to stand upright. Right? And your eyes bear the sight of your wife being pulled out your shack and brutalized at night. You only taste joy when babies are born, which became an occasion to mourn. Separated, torn from your celebrating arms. Then as quickly as they came, they were gone. Sold away from your farm, this is all they've known. Never heard stories from home, they forget your name. The culture from which you came, teaching it'll get you slain. Praying to your God will get you the same. Tortured to near death lest you complain. No choice left, you sing through the pain and pray that your suffering wasn't in vain. End of your chain, end of your life. Your grandchildren born with no end in sight. So you muster up all of your might and your last breath comes out. This is actually true. Now stop and imagine that's you. Now stop imagining, unravel the truth and ask just who is it happening to? Everything that the passenger do, the driver experienced too. So if humanity is one, then we all get burned when it's hell that we're traveling through. You got to see